Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. So I actually just started filming on my camera, but it died, so that's why I'm on my phone right now. I figured I might as well just still film this video because I thought it was super important to get my story out there. I know I've been making these videos. We have over like 400 videos now on this channel, and a lot of new people have come to this channel, so I really do appreciate it. If you are new, welcome to the Rideshare Hub. Like I've said countless times before, this channel is basically dedicated to Uber and Lyft drivers and providing drivers with information to make more money and have a better driving experience. There's not really any training or education from Uber and Lyft side, so I thought I would fill in that gap and provide drivers with experience, because when I started I had tons of questions and now I'm giving it to all you. But to go back, I wanted to just share my story on why I signed up for Uber and Lyft in the first place. I'm just sitting here with my nice cup of coffee. Shout out to JC Beans in Dana Point, California. Great place, great coffee place. So I just got a nice little cappuccino and a cappuccino muffin that I will eat after this video. So the reason I signed up for Uber and Lyft in the first place, just so you guys know, I still drive for Uber and Lyft. I think it's a great way to supplement my income, but I have started driving a lot less. But when I first started driving, I was driving almost full time. I was partying a lot. I had just turned 21. I was spending a lot of money. I didn't have a great job. I was pursuing acting like very seriously, had an agent, manager, going out to auditions, spent $1,000 on my demo reel. I had 2 credit cards. Basically, this is the leading point up to when I signed up. So I had 2 credit cards. One was maxed out at $3,000. Another one was approaching maxing out at $2,000. And I remember I was trying to get an increase in my credit, and I had like no money in the bank, like savings wise, like $20 probably. I was just like spending it on credit cards and spending money, not really making much. And I was doing like photography and stuff, and that just led to me more, because I was doing photography like nightclubs and pool parties and day clubs and music festivals, which, I was making good money, but at the same time I was also spending money, because then I would become friends with these people and then go out to parties with them afterwards, and just like, tables cost like $1,000, and I'm, just dropping stacks of cash, right? I had no money, and then all of a sudden, I roll down my windows here. And all of a sudden I started listening to this guy. I have no idea how I even found this guy. His name's Dave Ramsey. He was like how did I find that? He's like a financial advisor. He basically, I don't know what happened, but I started listening to his podcast, and he talks about getting out of debt. He says the number one way to build wealth, he has 7 steps, right? First one is build up $1,000 emergency fund. You always want to have an emergency fund just in case, so you're not scrambling. And then after that, pay off all your debts, smallest to largest. He uses the snowball effect. So you pay off your smallest debts first, and then attack your smallest ones first, and then go after your big ones. So, and then after that, save up 3 to 6 months of expenses. Then save up a down payment for your first house. Then buy your house, and then pay off your house while you're investing. Yeah, basically he's like very focused and very like, let's do this, come up with a plan to get you out of debt. So that was me. I was thinking, shoot, I need to get out of debt, out of these credit cards. I was like, he says, cut up your credit cards. You don't need credit. You don't need a credit score to function in life. Our whole FICO score consumer debt culture is so out of whack. So I'm on that boat now. I cut up my credit cards. I started driving for Uber. I was working at a job making like $12 an hour, and I was driving Uber and Lyft on the side. Then while I was driving, I found another job making $16 an hour, but that was part-time, and I figured, well, I can do that and drive Uber and Lyft, to make up those other hours and increase my income. So that's what I did. I had a job that started, guys. This is what I was doing for a while. I had a job that was 12 to 3:30 or 4 p.m. and I would wake up in the morning, drive for Uber and Lyft in the morning. And then like at 7 a.m., I would drive from like 7 to 11 or like 7 to 10 or 10:30. Then head over to my other job, work there. Then after that, I would drive again for Uber and Lyft. And I would drive for Uber and Lyft until like 6 or 7 p.m., work there, work for Uber and Lyft, and then go home, eat dinner, go to bed, wake up, and do it all over again. And then on Friday, I would do that, plus drive at night, and then I would drive Saturday at night as well, because then I had acting classes on Saturday. Yeah, guys. And then Sunday, I would drive again to like hit my bonuses usually. And then all I would do I would usually cash out every day. I don't recommend doing this, but I was so motivated. I would cash out my earnings every day and just throw it at that credit card. And after like, I think 1 or 2 months, I paid off that credit card. Then I moved on to the second credit card. Another couple months later, guys, I'm working 60, 70 hours a week at this time, paying off those credit cards. I paid off both credit cards, cut them both up. I still technically do have one active, although I haven't used it in like over a year. I still need to close that account. And then I had a car payment too. So keep in mind, before I signed up, I had credit card payments every other week because I had 2. Then I had a car payment that I was paying on every week, paying for rent, food, costs, everything. So then I paid off my 2 credit cards. Then I paid off my car, this car right here. I bought this car for like $5,400. It was $5,000, but plus you have to pay taxes on it. So it was like an extra $400. And so then I paid this car off. So now I own this car, have my actual title on it. And then I was like, okay, now I have some breathing room. Now I'm not making so many payments on like in my life. I'm not paying for credit cards anymore and for my car payment. Now I use Gig Mobile, which is a phone company. It's $12 a week, $12.50 a week, which is super cheap. So guys, now I like have eliminated all my payments. Like I don't do Netflix, I don't do Spotify, I don't do Apple Music, no subscriptions, not paying for Tinder premium, not paying for any adult premium content. Basically, I have no subscriptions. Like I don't believe in payments. Like before Spotify and Apple Music came out, you just download the music on your phone. I still do that, guys. Like if you don't need it, what's the point? Why do I need it? I don't need it. It's a want. So now I just do cash only. Now I drive and I started making these videos, and this, guys, no secret, but this is also a way to supplement my income. I do make a little bit of money off the ads that roll on these videos, and that also helps me pay for like expenses like food and gas and stuff. And I still drive to supplement my income. I'm always looking for new ways to diversify. That's why, you'll see me doing little odd jobs here and there. Like I still resell things. If I'm driving by and I see a free surfboard on the side of the road, because I do live in a beach town, I'll throw it in my trunk, put it up on Facebook Marketplace for $200, and usually some tourist will buy it. I don't even know. Like I look up what the cost of that board is new, and then I'll usually just cut it in half. New surfboards like $400 or $500, and people just leave them on the side of the road because they're throwing them away. I pick them up, put them up on, like I said, Craigslist or Facebook for like $100 or $200, and I've made like thousands of dollars just reselling old used surfboards. Like, I don't know. That's just basically me, why I started driving. Hopefully this helps you guys get a better understanding of where I come from. As you can see, guys, I don't buy like clothes ever. This shirt, people make fun of me because I wear a black shirt almost every day. I only have like 3 or 4 shirts. I don't need a new shirt. Like, sure, I could use one. If someone gives me a free shirt, I'm not going to say no. But I'm also not going out to Gucci and buying a new shirt. Like, I don't need a new shirt. Yes, I do want one, but I don't think it's worth my investment. I can invest my money better elsewhere. So, yeah, guys, that's it for the video. I just wanted to share my story with you all. Thank you all for watching. I would also love to hear your guys' stories. I have heard some amazing stories before, so leave them in the comment section down below. I will reply to you. I actually reply to comments, so as long as you're not leaving any hate comments, I will reply to you in the comment section down below. And yeah, I would love to hear your stories. So thank you so much for watching today's video. and I hope to talk to you all soon. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.